Robinson. I'm one of the subjective drivers here at Michelin's Lawrence Proving Grounds in South Carolina. Our primary job here is to be Michelin's first and most critical customer. And right now we're riding around on the new Michelin Primacy MX M4s. You know, we're on the wet track right now and just kind of going through some of the performances. For example, when I come into a braking zone like this, I want to get on the brakes, I want to feel that stability, nice straight line braking. I want to feel the traction just giving that feedback to me so that I know the car is going to stop when I want it to. This tire connects you directly to the pavement. All of that is wrapped up into the new Primacy MX M4.